Hey everyone, Jeff back here at the Petrix Project Bench. We're going to do an unboxing today. This came yesterday in the mail, so let's get this out and we're going to take a look at it. We got here a manual. Operation instructions, English. Looks like there's packed really good here. Some nice foam. Bag of parts. Replacement things. Don't know what that is. Interesting. And let's see here how we can get this. Okay. That's got to be kind of a clue to what it is. Power cable. There's the main unit. And appears to be the base. Some extra tips. And that is it for what's in the box. And there it is, a desoldering and soldering station. Been looking at one of these for a while now, so not sure exactly how to. Yihua model 948D3, 110 to 127 volt input, 60 hertz. Okay, it's got a little bit of weight to it. Get rid of that screen saver there. And what we got here? This is the stand for all the accessories here, it looks like. Okay, yep, that looks like that holds. Well, that's a huge tip that it comes with, but let's see here. Let's check this out. That looks pretty much like a standard. Yeah, that's a standard tip. I don't know what this other little ring was on there for. Let's see. Well, that goes inside there anyway. Huh. Yeah, that doesn't go over. It slides in between. That goes there. And a little lever on the back pops that slide back. Oh, and then you can pull the cylinder out, and there's filters on the back, and those are springs is what collects the solder that's been sucked up. Well, that looks like a fairly, oh, I lost the O-ring here. Let's see. Doesn't seem to matter which way that goes. snap it back in place. Okay. Looks pretty nice. That sits there. Okay, now that we have everything out of the box here, let's take a look at how this all goes together. Some kind of a safety rubber pad, something that definitely looks like it gets wrapped around a cord, but doesn't seem to, I don't know if you would use it for the, I don't see any sense in using that. It is rubber, 1/16 of an inch, 1.5 mm, sturdy. Here's these cables. This is the desoldering. There are an indicator. It's a 5/6 pin DIN type connector, I guess you would call it. They appear to go straight up. Turn it lightly and press lightly while you're turning. Locking ring, that's really nice on both the soldering gun and the desoldering gun. And the vacuum tube just pushes on. Feels like a good quality rubber hose. It's not plasticky. And here's the power cable. Normal computer type cable, and a grounding wire. Alligator clip on one side and 4mm banana plug on the other side, and an actual 4mm plug on the back. Must go to the case ground that I'm sure is attached to the regular 3-prong plug. Plug that in. Parts, extra screens and filters. Quite a few of them. A couple different size nozzle clearing wires, spring steel. One spare glass tube. A spare thread-on connector for the vacuum hose. This is the one thing. It's rigid, but it does feel like just a slightly cheaper plastic, but it's thick enough to feels like to compensate for that. A set of nozzle cleaners that you would use with an acetylene torch. Little miniature round files, basically in probably about 8 different sizes roughly. And one replacement set of gaskets, seals for the glass tube, along with 2 additional springs for when the other one might wear out or lose its spring from being heated up too many times. But pretty ample supply, I guess, to keep you going for a while. Okay, let's fire this up here. Oh, the light's on. Here's the on-off switch for the desoldering tool. That's really what I bought this for. I have a couple other soldering guns. I'm going to see what the temperature, it should be roughly around 700 is where I would set it if it isn't. We'll see where they have it. Looks like 716 Fahrenheit is where they have it. And we're going to test it right at that point. The red light is on here. Let me get this. The red light is on and the temperature is blinking. And it's supposed to let us know when it's ready. Let's see if I got something to maybe prop this up. You can see that a little better. Put this over here. This is exciting for me if this works. This would be a big help. Pretty impressed with everything so far. Metal case, rubber handle. I'm not sure I'm pretty sure that's a plastic molded thing there. But there again, it feels pretty durable. Metal back. Let's check out 4 rubber feet down here, pretty good size. Ample length on the cables here. And I don't think, if it's not up to temp, so let's try and press the button here, but this is the vacuum button. Oh, and you get a reading pH something. It's like a C with a line on, like a B with, oh, there the light's green now. And the vacuum works, so it's up to 10. So the vacuum will not work. So if you're pressing the button and not hearing the vacuum, it's because you're not up to temperature yet. So let's, we got a little circuit board here. Let's give this thing a try. What we got here is a couple switches. Just let it rest on there for probably just a couple seconds and rotate it around. It looks like it cleared it out. And keep that tip perpendicular to your area so that the nozzle is tight, so you're not, it's sucking air from the other side of the board in instead of leaking air. If you hold it at an angle like this, you're not going to get the suction you do when you're right on it square. So let's see, what am I working on? 2 here. Is that one already? Did I miss one yet? Bent the pin a little bit on that one. Let's see if it. Looks like, oh, I can see it right through the holes on the board. Oh, there's that side. There we go. Pop right out that one. Yeah, I think you have to, even when you're heating it, you have to swirl around the pin to make sure you get all of the solder heated up. Yep, that one. Gotta just get the technique down, I guess, a little bit. Let's try one more here. See if we got this thing figured out. Just doing little circles. The through leg kind of holds the tip from wandering off. Something's still hanging. I think it's this one. I have the tip loose on this, it appears, too, a little bit. I didn't check to make sure it was tightened. I just assumed it was, yeah, that was, pops right off. Wow, that is, that's actually really amazing. This is like making it fun to desolder stuff. Never thought that would ever happen. I was looking at it's an FR 305 or something, the Hako or something, and God, that's so expensive. It's like $300. I think this was, pretty sure this was around 158 or 150, half price, basically. And seems to be doing a great job so far here. Like I said, I'll have to get onto this a little bit. But sure, some of these are gonna be stubborn. You know, no, it's sucking. It's sucking. That one's still hanging on. I don't know. I wonder if that tip is plugged a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, it sounds like it's sucking more now. It must have a little chunk in there. That one is the stubborn, that little teeny one. Oh, I see why. They had to bend the legs out to fit through the holes, and it's not a straight hole. Let's see. Yeah, I don't think it's going to work on that particular one because it's got solder. In other words, on this side, it almost looks like it's surface mount. On this side, it looks like it's through hole. So, not a good example on that one. But I think it's going to work great. Very happy. Turn this off. Thanks for stopping by. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Thanks a lot. See you later.